Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change a VW Golf number plate light. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver, and your new, correct replacement bulb. It is crucial to turn off your vehicle's ignition to avoid any electrical shorts or injuries. Working in a well-lit environment will make the entire process much easier and safer for you. Now, let's remove the light housing. You will find the number plate light housing usually positioned directly above your license plate. Carefully press the small retaining tab on one side of the housing, often with a flathead screwdriver or your finger. With a gentle but firm motion, pry the housing downwards. It should unclip easily, revealing the bulb and its connector. With the housing removed, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to separate it from the main housing. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Take your new bulb and insert it firmly into the socket, making sure it is seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reattach the bulb holder to the housing by twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. Carefully push the entire light housing back into its opening above the license plate. You should hear a distinct click as it secures. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and check that your new number plate light is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.